Using a VPN on your Android device is a great way to protect your privacy, stay secure on public Wi-Fi, or access content that's not available in your region. And the best part, it's super easy to set up, even if you are not that super techy. So let's start the video with the simplest method. You can go to Play Store and search for VPN. There you can see plenty of options, and some popular ones are Proton, Windscribe, NordVPN and TunnelBear. And many of them offers free versions too, with limited features obviously, which are perfect if you are just getting started. Once you have picked one, just install it and open the app. Like I have chosen that Windscribe one. Just open the application. And here you can select the country which you want to connect with and simple press it. Now your phone is connected with a VPN. Now if you want to just turn it off, simply press that power button and it will turn it off. And there is another option of using VPN, which is by setting up manually. But keep in mind that you will be needing some specific details like server address or your login credentials, or maybe even a certificate. For most people, using a VPN app is way easier unless you are provided with custom settings by your company or organization. So that's how you can use VPN on your Android device. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any question, leave it in the comment sections.